Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare an attendance sheet in MS Excel application. This template will be provided in this video resources where you can download and do the practicals on the same template. So here if you see on screen, I have a company name Oga Solutions and a membership ID for a PF account and establishment ID for the same PF and UAN for the same PF details are provided. If your company also have a PF registration, you need to keep maintaining in the Excel sheet also, so that will be useful when you prepare the PF returns also. So here I have mentioned employee name and employee code. Here some companies use the employees UAN number as a employee code, and some companies used to follow like 1 2 3 4 3 2 4 6 like the employee unique code also. So you can follow employee unique code, or you also can follow your employee UAN number of the PF account. So based on your company's priority, you need to maintain them accordingly. And here I am preparing the attendance register for the month of April. So here from April to till end, I already provided the dates. So by default, whenever you type a date, so by default if you type 1st April, let's say 2023, you will see only 1st April 2023. So here what should I do? I need to press Ctrl+1. Ctrl+1 is a shortcut key for formatting cells. By selecting 1st April date cell, Ctrl+1, and it is already selected as date, but here I need to go for custom. What custom? Before DMY I am going to add triple times D, which indicates the short week spelling of the Saturday. If I add one more D, I will be getting total full spelling of Saturday. I need at least a week spelling of short form so that I can understand whether it is a Saturday, Sunday or holiday. So I need week name and a day count as well as the month count. So I mentioned what? Triple D, double D, double M, double Y. How we can do that? Ctrl+1. What custom format you should use? Triple D, double M, double Y. If you don't want year full length 2023, you also can remove last double Y. And okay, and this is how it works. And you just need to pick up the same and drag till end of the month. Automatically dates will be auto populated from 1st April, 2nd April till end of the 3rd April. I have autofill all these dates. For any kind of month you can do the same. Next, and here this is a calendar area where I need to update the presence and absent on daily basis for the respective employees. Instead of typing here, let's say sometimes here I will type here P for present. Let's say the person, the employee taking a leave for the first time, so I need to consider is as paid leave. And if the person taking leave again, I need to consider as this as absent, right? So here I need to fill these details manually. So instead of typing these details here manually, I will be making a validation. I want these cells should accept only absence or presence or paid leaves or even holidays. I don't want these cells should accept any other data other than this. Let's see, if you type hello, it is also accepting. So with this input, if I use the date calculation formulas, I'll be getting error. So I need unique values. So just simply select the entire calendar area, and go to data validation. You can go to data validation by clicking on data. You can go to the button data validation, or directly you can press Alt+D at a time, Alt+D, and alone only L you should press to get the data validation screen. Here what I want, I need only a list. What kind of list I need? I need list for presence, comma, paid leaves, comma, P for present, PL for what? Paid leave, comma, absence, comma, holiday. Some people maintain holidays as rest days. As per your choice, you can maintain holidays or rest days. I go by holidays. So what I am allowing? Only presence, paid leaves, absence and holidays. Okay, so now these cell, okay, now as on 1st April, If Anand Kotakonda presented, I will click on this button and I will accept to present. Again present. So likely I need to do it manually. Let's say if any employee taking a leave for the first time, I need to consider this as a paid leave. And Sunday, obviously it's an holiday, so it's a holiday. I will copy and I will paste in all other cells also. ये तो हो गया. Next, so based on the regular, I can provide here presents or paid leave for what? For first time taken leaves. Let's say now Anand Kotakonda is taking leave first time again in the on 3rd April. So again I need to type here what? Paid leave. Again let's say present. Again present. Let's say I go by only a present. Next, let's say the Kiran Gangaram Shavan is already taken a leave on 1st of April. Again, this is the second leave. So here I need to consider this as what? Absent. The first leave of any employee will be considered as what? Paid leave, and the second absence onwards you can consider as absent. So just for sample, I am going to fill a character P. Okay, I don't want to waste the time. So in reality, what we need to do, we need to fill this calendar on a daily basis by September, April 1st, April 2nd, April 3rd. I need to fill this what? On daily basis, but just I will fill a random, I will fill by presents, and later I will keep updating. From Monday to Saturday, again P, again Monday to Saturday.
Fill by present, again from Monday to Saturday presents, and again from Monday to Saturday also presents. So I have filled mostly with the presents, and for holidays I will fill. See, in reality you need to fill how? The days one by one. And for Sunday I will be providing here H. I will copy and fill H here. I'll go to another Sunday, H, and paste. I'll go to another Sunday.
And again paste, and it will take you to another Sunday, the last Sunday of the month as a holiday. Let's say before a Sunday there is a Saturday. Saturday also is a, let's say Saturday is also a holiday. Then I need to type here, let's say there is a festival on, but still it is a Saturday, and but still it is a holiday. So I have given totally 2 holidays. That is a Saturday, it is a holiday. And here if you understand, for I have taken here from where? I have taken here from Saturday, Sunday, Monday to Saturday, and even a Sunday. Let's say your company is a corporate company where your working days are only Monday to Friday. If Monday to Friday is working days, still you also need to consider Saturday as a regular holiday, just like Sunday you also consider Saturday also holiday. Okay, again I repeat, if you are working in a corporate company, if you wanted to prepare this payroll for corporate company employees, you need to consider Monday to Friday as a working days, and you consider Saturday and Sunday both are holidays or rest days. So you also can fill Saturday as a holiday. Okay, remember this point. Yeah, so now the attendance is done. Let's consider the total month presence and absence was done manually, and here you need to understand one thing. Where our calendar area started, our calendar area started from the cell of what? I will highlight the cell with yellow color. You can see from C4. The calendar area started on C4, and the calendar area is going to end by AF4. So what is the calendar area? Started from C4, continuation to AF4. Just to make you understand, I am highlighting. Calendar started on calendar started on C4, and calendar is going to end by AF4. Here we are going to use the formulas to count the total presence and absent days. So here, how I can go? Total days. I need to calculate total absence, presence, paid leaves, and also holidays to get the total days in the month of April. What is the days in the month of April? It's a 30 days, but still I will use a formula. E equals to COUNT, count A for what? All text, equals to count A, all text, and here calendar area. What is the calendar area? From C4 continuation means colon to AF4. from C4 to AF4, whatever is there I want to count. So what is the total days available, including present days, absent days, holidays? What is the total days here? Total. And then the formula is now applied. Next, what? Holidays. Here I need to count exclusively the character of what? Here I need to count the exclusive character of what? Holiday. Means H I need to count here. So the formula will change. First, what formula we used here? We used count A to count all the text. Now to count exclusive text, E equals to COUNT. Count, but a condition of if. I wanted to count if the range. What is the range? C4 to AF4. If the range of C4 to AF4, comma, containing the criteria of H. So equals to count if, open bracket, calendar area. What is the calendar area? C4 to AF4. So I want to count H criteria from C4 to AF4. So what is the total holidays? The total holidays are total 6. And here working days. How you get working days? Total days minus holidays. So working days for the month of April is how many? 24. 24 is the total days. Next, what I need to count here? I need to count total present days and paid leaves also available, because we need to pay for present days as well as paid leaves also we need to pay to employees. So here I need to count P and also PL. P for what? Present. PL for what? Paid leaves. But before giving you this formula, first I will show you a reverse one. Out of working days, if you minus absent, the remaining will be paid leaves and the present days. So I will show you this. I will also show you with a formula. So what is the absence? Equals to COUNT, count if, open bracket, C4 to AF4. What you want to count here now? A for what? Absence, and close the bracket. So this person don't have any absence. Let's say I will provide here a absent manually. So one absent was count. So out of total working days 24, if employee absent for 1 day. So what is the formula for this? Equals to total working days minus absent. So what is the paid leaves here? How much? 24. But one thing you should understand, for Anand we already provided a paid leave on 3rd April. So in the end I am taking absent for this fellow, because this is the second leave of Anand. If Anand have only one thing, we need to consider these also as what? Present. If Anand taken 2 leaves, first one will be paid leave, second one will be absent, just for this case. So out of 24, Anand absent for how many days? 2 days he was absent, but we consider one as a paid leave, one is a absent. So what is the total leaves? How I got these? I simply got total working days minus absent. So I got paid leaves. But instead of using this formula, you also can use a formula called as equals to sum. What formula I'm using here? Equals to sum, open bracket. What sum I want? Equals to sum, open bracket, COUNT, count if, open bracket, C4 to AF4. What you want to count here? I need the count of what? Count if result is what? What you want to count here? First, present, close the bracket. So I am asking the Excel, I need a sum of presents, and again comma, again count if, COUNT, count if, open bracket, C4 colon AF4, comma, what you CF4 comma AF4 comma, what is the criteria you want to count here now? PL, close the bracket. So what I requested my Excel here to count, I need a sum of what? I need a sum of present and also sum of paid leaves. What are the presents and paid leaves? Here I will get the result. What is the total? 23. You also can use any formula. Maybe you can use total working days by total working days minus absence equal to paid leaves, or you also can use this formula. What here I asked? I asked equal to sum. What sum I want? I need the sum of presents. I also need the sum of paid leaves. So how many presents available here? Let's just to make you understand, I'm going to use formula here just to count only presents and only to paid leaves. E equals to count, count if open bracket C4 to AF4. What I'm counting now? Only present. So what is the total present? 22. And here paid leave equals to count if open bracket C4 to AF4. What you want now here? Paid leaves. So I counted 22 plus 1, then I added total sum here. Within the sum formula, I used count if formula. I need a sum of count of P and count of PL. What is a present result? 22. Paid leave result 1. So total result will be 22 plus 1, total 23. This is how I got. Once this is done, you can just simply select the formula, select the cell where you have used the formula, then apply the same. So based on their absence and presence, the calendar will be updated. If you, let's say here for this fellow I'm giving absent, just for example, absent, absent, and again absent, and again absent, I will provide. You can see the data here updating automatically, and these data for the employees you can copy to the next payroll. So in the next video we are going to discuss how to calculate payroll for the same, right? See you in the next video. Thank you.